Are you struggling to rank your website on Google? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll reveal the top SEO tools you need to improve your rankings, boost traffic, and stay ahead of the competition. Without it, you're just another website lost in the vast digital ocean. Let's dive in. First up, we have Google Keyword Planner, a free tool that's a must-have for any SEO. Discover new keyword ideas, see search volumes, and understand competition. Create content that answers questions. It's a goldmine for getting your website in front of the right audience. Let's talk about Ahrefs Keywords Explorer, one of the most powerful keyword research tools on the market. Its keyword difficulty score estimates how challenging it is to rank on Google. Higher scores mean tougher competition. Ahrefs also provides clicks per search (CPS) data and a treasure trove of keyword ideas, including related and competitor keywords. Uncover untapped opportunities and stay ahead. Not everyone has a huge budget for SEO tools, and that's perfectly fine. That's where Ubersuggest comes in, a fantastic budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on features. Ubersuggest is incredibly user-friendly, making it perfect for beginners who are just starting with keyword research. You can easily plug in a keyword, and Ubersuggest will generate a wealth of information, including search volume, keyword difficulty, and even content ideas based on top-ranking pages. You can enter a competitor's domain, and Ubersuggest will reveal the keywords they're ranking for, their estimated organic traffic, and even the backlinks they've acquired. Let's move on to on-page optimization, the art of making your web pages attractive to both search engines and human visitors. Yoast SEO is a game changer for on-page SEO, especially for WordPress users. It offers real-time content analysis and actionable SEO suggestions. Optimize your title tags and meta descriptions with ease. These snippets attract clicks in search results. Craft compelling, keyword-rich titles and descriptions. Ensure your content is readable and engaging. High rankings are useless if users bounce off your site. Let's talk about technical SEO, a crucial aspect that can make or break your website's performance. Screaming Frog SEO Spider is your go-to tool for technical SEO audits. It crawls your website, identifying issues like broken links and duplicate content. Fixing these ensures a smooth browsing experience and boosts your rankings. Content optimization is crucial in today's SEO landscape. Surfer SEO takes the guesswork out of content optimization. It provides data-driven suggestions for top-ranking content. Write directly in Surfer SEO for real-time feedback. Optimize structure, length, and quality to match search intent. Now let's talk about Ahrefs again, but this time we're diving into its backlink analysis capabilities. Backlinks, those valuable links from other websites to yours, are like votes of confidence in the eyes of search engines. Ahrefs provides one of the most comprehensive and accurate backlink databases in the industry, allowing you to delve deep into your website's backlink profile and that of your competitors. You can see who's linking to your website, the anchor text they're using, the domain authority of the linking websites, and much more. This information is crucial for understanding the strength and quality of your backlink profile. You can also use it to spy on your competitors' backlink profiles, identify their most valuable backlinks, and even uncover link-building opportunities. Let's move on to another powerful backlink analysis tool, Moz Link Explorer. Moz is a well-respected name in the SEO industry, and their Link Explorer tool is a must-have for anyone serious about building a strong backlink profile. One of the key metrics provided by Moz Link Explorer is domain authority, a score developed by Moz that predicts how well a website will rank on search engine result pages. Moz Link Explorer also tracks your backlink growth over time, allowing you to see how your link-building efforts are paying off. You can monitor your spam score, which measures the quality of your backlink profile and identifies any potentially harmful backlinks. Moz Link Explorer provides insights into your competitors' backlink profiles, including their domain authority, linking domains, and top-ranking keywords. Now let's talk about a crucial aspect of backlink management, identifying and disavowing toxic backlinks. Not all backlinks are created equal. Some backlinks can actually harm your website's rankings, especially if they come from spammy or low-quality websites. SEMrush Backlink Audit is a powerful tool that helps you identify and disavow these toxic backlinks. It scans your backlink profile, analyzes the quality of your backlinks, and assigns a toxic score to each backlink. Disavowing toxic backlinks is crucial for protecting your website from Google penalties and ensuring that your backlink profile remains strong and trustworthy. In today's fast-paced digital world, website speed is more critical than ever. Not only does it impact user experience, but it's also a significant ranking factor for search engines like Google. A slow-loading website can lead to higher bounce rates, lower conversion rates, and a poor user experience overall. That's where Google PageSpeed Insights comes in, a free tool that analyzes your website's speed and provides actionable suggestions for improvement. Simply enter your website's URL into Google PageSpeed Insights, and it will generate a detailed report, highlighting areas where your website is performing well and areas that need improvement. You'll get specific recommendations on how to optimize your images, leverage browser caching, reduce server response time, and more. Let's dive deeper into website speed optimization with GTmetrix, another fantastic tool that provides in-depth performance reports and actionable insights. While Google PageSpeed Insights is an excellent starting point, GTmetrix takes website speed analysis to the next level. GTmetrix provides a comprehensive breakdown of your website's performance, including load times, page size, the number of requests, and more. You'll get a detailed waterfall chart that visually represents how your website's resources are loaded, helping you pinpoint bottlenecks and areas for improvement. GTmetrix also provides actionable recommendations on how to optimize your website's performance, including optimizing images, leveraging browser caching, minifying CSS and JavaScript files, and more. This is crucial because your website's loading speed can vary depending on the user's physical location and their internet connection. Now, let's talk about Pingdom Tools, another excellent website speed testing tool that simplifies the process and provides easy-to-understand performance grades. If you're looking for a user-friendly tool that gives you a quick overview of your website's speed, Pingdom Tools is an excellent choice. Simply enter your website's URL into Pingdom Tools, and it will run a speed test, providing you with a performance grade, load time, page size, and other essential metrics. Pingdom Tools provides a history of your website's performance, allowing you to track your progress over time and see how your optimization efforts are impacting your website's speed. You can also test your website's speed from different locations around the world, ensuring that your website loads quickly for visitors from all over the globe. Now let's move on to website analytics, the art of collecting, analyzing, and interpreting data about your website's visitors and their behavior. And when it comes to website analytics, Google Analytics is the undisputed king. Google Analytics is a free tool that provides a wealth of data about your website's traffic, user demographics, behavior, and more. With Google Analytics, you can see how many people visit your website, where they come from, what pages they visit, how long they stay on your website, and much more. You can track conversions such as form submissions, purchases, and downloads, allowing you to measure the effectiveness of your marketing campaigns. Let's talk about Google Search Console, a free tool provided by Google that gives you direct insights into how your website is performing in Google search results. It's an invaluable tool for any website owner looking to improve their organic search visibility and understand how Google views their website. With Google Search Console, you can see which keywords your website is ranking for, how many impressions your website is getting in search results, how many clicks your website is receiving from search, and more. You can also submit your sitemaps to Google, ensuring that Google can crawl and index your website's pages effectively. Google Search Console also alerts you to any issues that Google encounters with your website, such as crawl errors, mobile usability issues, and security issues. Finally, let's talk about Data Studio, a free tool from Google that allows you to turn your raw data into beautiful, interactive, and shareable reports. Data Studio connects to various data sources, including Google Analytics, Google Search Console, Google Ads, and more, allowing you to pull all of your data into one centralized location. You can then create custom dashboards and reports that visualize your data in a meaningful and engaging way. Whether you're creating reports for your team, your clients, or your stakeholders, Data Studio makes it easy to share your insights and communicate your findings effectively. You can create visually appealing charts, graphs, and tables that bring your data to life and make it easy to understand. SEO success is all about using the right tools in the right way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your favorite SEO tool in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.